Alright, we have a pot is heated on the stove, which process causes the metal handle of the pot to also become hot. Well, one thing that I know about metal is a good conductor. So I have to look at my choices here. Did the pot handle become hot due to combustion? Well, number one, we haven't talked about combustion. I don't know the answer to that. So I'm going to leave that just in case I can eliminate every other answer. Convection. Convection is the movement of heat through the air or through a liquid. The metal handle did not get hot through the air or through a liquid. Radiation is the movement of heat through waves. So that can't be the answer. Conduction is heat through touch, or the way heat moves through a material. So the heat would move from the pot through the metal handle. So I know this is now not the answer, and conduction is my best answer.